Word means shabd. Vyanjan, consonants. Shabd for Vyanjan. We are going to learn words for consonants. Shabd for Vyanjan. Ka, kamal, lotus. Ka, kamal, lotus. Kha, khana, food. Kha, khana, food. Ga, Ganesh, Lord Ganapati. Ganesh, Lord Ganapati. Ghar, gha, ghar, house. Gha, ghar, house. Nya, there are no words for this. Cha, cha, uncle. Cha, cha, uncle. Cha, chhatri, umbrella. Chhatri, umbrella. Ja, jad, root. Ja, jad, root. Jha, jhompdi, hut. Jha, jhompdi, hut. So today, kids, we learnt about the words for Vyanjan, for consonants. So thanks for watching. Please learn. Thank you.